Hello students, standard 7, subject max, chapter 2. Okay, exercise 2.1. Question number 3. See in your textbook, open your textbook and see your third question. It is very simple. In previous chapter number 1, also this type of sum has come. So it is very simple, you can able to do. I am just explaining you do your own self. Here see, in a magic square the sum of numbers in a row, in column and in diagonal is same. Is this a magic square? So what you have to do is you have to add it. Okay, row wise, this is row wise 4 9 2. When you add it, it will come whatever will comes here 4 9 2. So what, 9 plus 4 plus 2, 15 upon 11. So row wise, column wise also 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 upon 11. So all row wise, all column wise and diagonals 4 like this cross. So 4 5 6 is equal to 15. So 15 upon 11. So all numbers or row or column or diagonals sum you have to do. Sum is plus you have to do and find it out if they are equal or not, they are same or not. If they are same, then this square is a magic square. Okay, do yourself. Now quickly see fourth one. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Perimeter and area in previous class we have learned 4th standard, 5th standard and also 6th standard. Again it has come, so you have to remember it for your lifetime, that what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, square, everything you have to remember, don't forget. So here quickly see solution. Here see what is given here, rectangle. Rectangular means rectangle is given. So it is 12 and half, 12 integer 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Okay, wide means breadth, length, breadth. So length is 12 1 upon 2 centimeter, 10 2 upon 3 centimeter breadth. Now what is the perimeter of a rectangle? You remember 2L plus B, isn't it? 2L plus B, don't forget, this is very important. Perimeter of a rectangle is, this is the formula. Okay, now it is lengthy sum, but it is easy as we are doing addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, so here see 2 from where it has come, here from the formula. Okay, what is L? L is 12 1 upon 2 plus B, see the formula, B 10 2 upon 3 centimeter. Okay, now what you have to do, next step 2 as it is from here, then here it will, mixed fraction will convert into improper fraction. See here 12 2s are 2, 12s are 24 plus 1 25, 25 upon 2 as it is we have to write, plus sign, then 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 2 32 upon 3 centimeter as it is you write down. Okay, now what, here 2 is, forget about 2 here, these two numbers you see fractions, they are, denominator is different, so to make them same what we have to do, we have to do LCM of 2 and 3. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? Prime numbers both are, so 6 is the 2 3s are 6 is the LCM. Okay, now what you have to do, first number, this is second number. So first number you take 2 as it is, every time you have to write 25 upon 2 is equal to dash is equal to dash. Into table when 6 will come, 2 3s are 6, here 3, so here also 3, 25 into 3 is equal to 75. Now second number we have to take in 3 table, when 6 will come, 2s are, so here also put 2, 32 into 2 64. This is the first number, this one is second number. So now whatever number you have got, you have to do addition of both the number. So 2 as it is, then 75 plus 64 what, 139, isn't it, upon 6 common, so 6 here. Now what you have to do, you have to cut it out. Up and down is there, so in 2 table 6 will come, yes, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, cut. So what is remain, 139 upon 3. This is improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. How you will convert? See, 139 and 3, 3 4s are 12, minus if you do 1, 9 put here. In 3 table 19 will not come. When it will come, 6 are 18, so 1 has remained. So 46 integer 1 upon 3 is your answer. See here. Okay. And what answer you have to write? The perimeter of a rectangular sheet of a paper is 46 integer 1 upon 3 centimeter. Is that clear to you? Do it in your notebook. Third and fourth. And fifth one is also very simple. You can able to do fifth question. Okay, this is fourth solution. Fifth one is your homework. See, I am explaining you. Find the perimeter only you have to find. Of triangle is given, also rectangle is given. First you have to find it out, perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of? You have to do all the sums. All sums plus you have to do. Okay, and rectangle. Different perimeter you have to find out, and whose perimeter is greater, that you have to mention. Okay, try to do. See, here everything is given. This is a triangle, this is a rectangle. So first you find it out the perimeter of rectangle, and then first triangle, then rectangle. Okay, try to do. Thank you.